very long and wonderful relations with Dr. Sheshagiri Rao. We were together in Chennai Apollo, and it will not be wrong to say that he was the only cardiologist when I came here. Whatever I am today, I think his support has helped me a lot in establishing my practice in Hyderabad. I consider him one of the finest cardiologists and a very good human being. It will not be exaggeration if I say that I kind of followed him, and his advice, his suggestions, and his support was immense help to me in whatever we could do in this place. He is one of the most balanced cardiologists, because in the days of where the interventions were rampant, he was the one whose decisions were very, very balanced, and I wish him all the very best. He continues to be an inspiration for me, and I'm very happy that we could work together, and I always admired his work and his personal relationship with us.
I am Dr. T. Badrinaran, consultant cardiologist. He is being associated with him for last 14 years. Even pre-PG, he is my teacher, guru and philosopher. He is a senior consultant cardiologist, joined as a first cardiologist of Apollo Hospital, Hyderabad, and continuing till now. And active part in organizing the department and introduction of DNB course. He was good academician, being always top among the fellow students. He is a good clinician and perfect in performing all cardiac interventions. During his short duration of work in Osmania Medical College, Hyderabad, and Nizam Institute of Medical Science, Hyderabad, he proved his academic excellency. He is always good to always juniors and in fellow cardiologists. By doing hard work and sincerity, he created his reputation to this extent. Besides reading, he was good in playing cricket and football during his student career, but after being qualified cardiologist, he wholeheartedly dedicated himself in the cardiac care of the patient. An asset to the institution since long, and being worthy of being facilitated. Thanks to the organizers and management for doing the same. God bless him throughout the life, and I wish him long, healthy life.
You are a great teacher. You have a great depth of knowledge for cardiology, and very few people in this our hospital has your degree from a central institute like what you did from JIPMER and AIIMS. Sir, I always pray Almighty for your best of your health. Thank you.
Great opportunity for me to talk about Dr. P. Sheshagiri Rao. Chairman called me one day and said, I would like you to join a new place as a consultant cardiologist, which is more cosmopolitan and headed by a very beloved, a very proficient, a very, very academic, very good cardiologist who has done many, many new things in interventions. And first time in Hyderabad, when I joined here, I found not only a very good professional academic, a senior cardiologist, but just like very beloved my elder brother. He put his hands on our shoulders and took us to the difficult journey of interventional cardiology. He was always there to help me, to share me, to give me the entire support of any difficult case. Whenever I had a failure, I would have called him, and he would have come without any hesitation and hitch to help us out. He has taught us so many new things in interventional cardiology. He has been very gentle, very, very soft, very polite, not only to the patients, but to the colleagues, to friends, and to all of us in the department. He took the entire department to a great heights in all these 25 years which I have been working here. I would never forget how he helped all the departmental colleagues as well as all the subordinate staffs, including all our technical people and the relationship amongst all of us are just gelling because of his HOD position, and he has been keeping all of us in one entire group, in one fist, in one family. He has been the head of the family for all of us for all these days, for all these years, and we learnt a great deal about new things and new interventions with his support. I would always pray to Almighty God to give him all the best of health, wealth and success in entire rest of his life, as well as he should be having his elderly hand on top of our heads to give us further opportunities to get us into the greater heights in the cardiology department, all our good endeavors and good work, all of us together. Thank you so much.
Sir, I am grateful to get this opportunity to talk about a few words, and thank you for all that I received from you. The knowledge and the wisdom you have imparted upon me has been a great help and support throughout my career. I believe my success, at least in part due to your sincere support and mentorship. You have been an excellent guide, mentor and great inspiration for me. Sir, you have shown the value of the honesty, sincerity and trust. It will forever remain a major contribution behind my success and achievements. Thank you once again, sir, for all you have to given to me.
Teacher and guru, cardiology, AECG, echo, TMT, all are Greek and Latin for me. He taught me in a good, very cool and calculative manner. I learned so much from him. He's very generous and very good in teaching. He is instrument for the growth of the department. He set up the complete cardiology department, including cath lab. He always believed in clean practice and principles to sustain the standards. He trained many juniors. Some of them are leading practitioners now. Example, Dr. Shivkumar, Pramod, Haigreev and Sridhar. His patient's client is very good in clinical diagnosis. He is very excellent, very good interventions, very great teacher. I am very happy, and I always pray for his health and best of luck for him. Thank you.
I have been associated with Dr. P. Seshagiri Rao since August 1988. He is the person who gave me all this encouragement, strength and confidence in myself to learn the subject. Though technologically everything has been improved nowadays, it is nothing but being taught by an experienced, skilled and knowledgeable person like Dr. Seshagiri Rao. Today whatever I am because of him. The whole credit goes to him for all the subject I have learned from him. Whatever I am today. Let me thank all of them.
It's a great opportunity to talk about the great legend in cardiology, Dr. P.S. Rao. Thank you for this opportunity, Dr. P.S. Rao, for the past 2 years. Great cardiologist. Above all, he is a great human. So as we all know, a great teacher inspires hope, ignites imagination, and instills a love of learning. That is P.S. Rao, Dr. P.S. Rao. Worthful to watch him teaching. He has a treasure of knowledge. I was astonished to hear about the topic, rheumatic heart disease. So much of knowledge he has. He is a great cardiologist. It is worthful to and wonderful to watch him doing angiogram, angioplasty, and he is teaching about that. Third, he is a great human. I have watched him talking to the patients, talking to the patient attenders. The patients and the patient attenders have a great faith on him. He is our teacher, he is our leader, he is our pioneer. I am very lucky to have him as my teacher, as my philosopher. I wish him, Dr. P.S. Rao, a great career, great opportunity, great health, and his family. Let the Almighty fill his life with all joy and all health and all wealth. Thank you.
Hello, I am K. Srinivas, Senior Technologist working in Cath Lab. I know Dr. Seshagiri Rao very well. I am working with Dr. Seshagiri Rao from 25 years. He is prominent cardiologist, prominent interventional cardiologist, and great teacher. I and other technical staff learned a lot from his able teachings.
I am very great pleasure to talk about Dr. P.S. Rao sir. Sir is a great person. He is a fully knowledgeable person. He is very silent person. When he come for the rounds, he see the patient, he talk with the patient, he will ask the patient about the patient's conditions and all. He teach us very good. He is a very good teacher. We learn from him how to work the patient side, how to get the knowledge about the patients. So I am very great and thankful for sir, whatever knowledge he gave us. Dr. P.S. Rao sir is the greatest doctor in our hospital. Thank you everyone.
Namaste to one and all. It's been a great privilege to working with you, sir. I have learnt a lot to be brave enough in assisting all cardiac procedures.
You have always been calm and teaching patient care, sir.
Sir, thank you very much for all your constant guidance and support.